Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an update query in Microsoft Access. This is a powerful feature that allows you to modify multiple records in your database at once, whether you're adjusting prices, updating statuses, or making bulk changes to any field in your table. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Access application and loading into your database. Once you've got Access open and your database loaded up, you're ready to begin working with queries. Make sure your data is properly loaded before proceeding, as you'll need to see your tables to work with them effectively. Now that the software is loaded along with your data, the first thing you need to do is open the table you wish to create a select query on. Once your table is open, click on the Create tab located at the top part of your Microsoft Access menu. This tab contains all the tools you need for building new database objects, including queries. From the Create tab, look for the Query Design option and click on it. This opens up the Query Design workspace where you'll build your update query. On the right side panel, you'll see the Add Tables menu appear. This menu displays all available tables in your database. Select the table you wish to create an update query on from this list. Once you've selected your table, drag the field you wish to update from the field list into the query design grid below. This step is important because it tells Access which specific field in your table you want to modify. After dragging the field into the grid, click on the Update option from the Query Design tab. This changes your query from a standard select query into an update query, adding the update function to your design. Now comes the interesting part. You need to enter a header field that you wish to update. For this tutorial, we'll use cost as our field and update the value by 120%. In the Update to Row of the query grid, type in the field name inside square brackets and add in a mathematical symbol or function. For our example, you would type something like square brackets cost close brackets times 1.2. This formula tells Access to multiply the current cost value by 120%. Once you've added your update expression, simply click on Run from the Query Design tab. Access will process your update query and modify all the records in your table according to the formula you specified. You'll see your database field values updated by 120% instantly. Access may also show you a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure you want to update the records, which is a helpful safety feature to prevent accidental changes. And you've successfully created and executed an update query in Microsoft Access, allowing you to modify multiple records efficiently with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.